I'm somewhere in the middle of Alaska on a cruise ship. I'm sailing between Sitka and Juneau right now. But that's not why I'm here. I'm here to do the elevators on the cruise ship. And let's go on inside and check them out. This tour will consist of the aft and the front elevators, starting with the aft elevators on deck 8. These are the aft elevators on the Norwegian Cruise Line's Norwegian Joy ship. And here's this one. These are KONE 16. And I just like to say that this ship, it has not American KONE, it's European, because the ship was built in Germany. You're on 16. Let's go down to 5. We can go between decks 5 and 16. The gateway's on 4, but it's probably locked. On deck 4, but it's probably locked now.
Deck 13.
And we're stopping at 13. Going down?
Going down.
4.
6. Thank you.
Deck 12. Going down.
Oh, hold it. Sorry.
Very good.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Deck 8. Going down.
Oh, here we go.
Deck 7. Going down. Deck 6. Going down.
Here's a cab view of these. It's pretty nice.
Deck 5.
The capacity is 1,500 kilograms. I'm not sure what that's translated to.
Going up.
See, 15 kilograms and 20 people. I don't know what the American version of that is. So we'll go back up to 16. I'm also not familiar with KONE's European fixtures, so I'll have to look that up later. And we'll switch to the other side on 16.
Deck 14.
Now we're stopping at 14.
Going up.
Nope. Ghost call. Actually, the two sides are on separate controllers.
Deck 16.
The two sides are on separate controllers, so...
Going
You
down.
can go
I'm sorry,
there,
sorry.
but there is not close. They are bar.
Two sides are on separate controllers. That weighs to the front.
You just go by forward, and you can see the bar on there.
Back down. Oh, this one right here. So this one serves the tender deck. We're not gonna go down there, we'll go down to 5. We'll go down to back to 5. These are very busy KONE EcoSpaces, but these are European EcoSpace, not American, because for the second time, this ship was built in Germany. I don't know how that's
Deck 5.
Oh, this serves 17. This serves deck 17. The other one does not. Some of them actually serve deck 9, go all the way up to deck 19. But I'm actually not sure. Will they take this one up to 17? They're very smooth for how much, and they're pretty for how much they get used. I think the front ones are actually a bit busier.
Deck 17.
So this is actually my first time I'm filming in international
Going down.
elevators. Technically. This is the highest that this one goes. I think on the others, the front banks, there's some that go up to deck 19. But this is the highest that the aft bank goes, which is
Going down.
what the back is called on the ship, aft. Let's go down to 5. And then probably transfer it on like deck 7 or something.
Deck 15. Going down.
Nope, no one.
Deck 14.
Now we're gonna stop at every single floor.
Going down.
Did someone push all the buttons or something?
Deck 10.
Another way is to tell these are not on American standards.
Going down.
What floor?
6.
6.
Oh. Are you trying to go to the casino first?
7 is the casino.
Well, 7. Sorry.
That's okay.
Well, that's why I just wish we could trust him. Like, I hate that he even knows the freaking code for the.
They're just right there. Like, mark it.
Alright, as I was saying, another way to tell that this is European standards is because of this. 13. Because American buildings usually skip the 13th floor. In Europe, they don't believe that superstition, or at least I don't think so.
Deck 5.
So, well, I guess that's how that works.
Going up.
Alright. Now, actually, let's end it at.
Going up.
Let's go back up to deck 7 and end it there. Actually, no, deck 6. Go to deck 6 and end it.
6.
So we can go to the front banks. There we go. There it goes. And that's it. Here's the front bank, or banks of elevators, on the Norwegian Cruise Line's Norwegian Joy ship. I don't know if I mentioned this was the Norwegian Joy in the aft bank video, but this is. The main difference, visual difference, is that the front one has square buttons and the aft has circle. I was gonna try and start on deck 6, but there is an event going on right behind the deck, so I'm not sure if you could pick up my voice or not. But anyway, these go to deck 8. Some of them go to deck 18, some of them go to deck 17, and then some go to deck 19. Oh, I guess this one's on all on one controller. This one goes to 18, so let's go there. Deck 18. I guess it's pretty selective on what it serves. For the fixtures.
Deck 8.
Same capacity, 1,500 kilograms.
Going up.
Oh,
Going up.
what floor?
16, please.
You're welcome.
Deck 10. Going up.
What floor?
17.
Dinner time, huh?
No,
No.
get ready for that show.
Oh, which one are you guys going to?
The acrobats or whatever they are.
Oh,
7:30.
Oh, cool.
Starts at 7:30.
That looked good. I think we're doing that in a couple nights.
Deck 16. Going up. Deck 17. Going up.
Oh, the light fixtures are bright there. Wow. That's really bright. Jeez.
Deck 18.
Deck 18.
Going down.
Let's see. Yeah, see, there's only a few go up. Some of them right on deck 17. So we'll go up one more to deck 19. See if we can. This one is the only one that's gonna come up. So this is the only one. So we're gonna wait for this one. It's on 10 right now. Then we'll go down to probably do that ride and then transfer to the other side. And it's gonna be a minute before this one gets here, so we'll cut until it gets here. Now it's all the way down at 6. I gotta say, these are actually really good. For how busy these are, these actually hold up really, really well. Well, that actually kind of makes sense because these are actually European KONE, not American. European ones tend to last a lot longer, probably because of the regulations or whatever. And they actually don't take up as much room. And the elevators don't take up as much room, which is a very big plus in my opinion, because the cab goes back. Like it's more long instead of wide, which I actually do prefer that over American elevators. They're more tall, so you can fit more space, I guess. I don't know, it's just a preference I have. But when it comes to versus between European and American elevators, they have their perks, but ultimately I like European ones better. When it comes to like first party ones, not generics. Like the Otis Gen 2s with the concave ones. Oh, those are my favorite European elevators. Those are my favorite. I'm just talking about European elevators now, since I'm waiting on this one, because this is the only one that goes up to 19, so I'll be waiting here for a while, but it should be on its way back up, so I'm just gonna cut until it gets here, for real this time. Here it is. Hey! All right, finally. And we'll go up one floor to 19. Then I'll take this back down to deck 5 and then do the other side and then be done.
Deck 19.
Oh,
Going down.
it opens up on this side. Ugh. Oh, I think that's just the wind whistling. It did not. It sounded like something that needed WD-40 or something. I don't know. I'll just take this all the way down to deck 5 and then transfer to the other side and then.
Deck 13.
And we're stopping on 13. Go down.
Yes,
What
thank
floor?
you. 6, please.
Deck 11.
What floor?
Going down.
7, please. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Deck Going down.
You're welcome. So just the call stations for these ones are square. The inside is still circle. All right. Finally, we'll take this side up to 16. We'll take this side up to 17, and then take it back down to. Oh. I guess not. Or not really. Yeah, no. Actually, we'll just take whichever one. Whichever one. Oh, no. Oh, so this one, how this one works. It's these four and those four. Got it. That's how that works. So it's the controllers are set up differently. On the aft one, it's these four, and then it's those four. That one over there was an independent service. Can you hit 17 for me, please?
I certainly can as soon as I can find. There it
Hey,
is.
thank you.
Next 6.
What floor?
We're going up to what floor? 18. Well, 17.
You need a different one to rotate to.
She gave us an express ride. She hoping you get on. Maybe she overheard you talking about the pins.
Ben, you want to give me that pin?
Oh, this is like sweet, right?
Oh my goodness.
Awesome.
Alright, I'm just gonna end it at deck 13, because that's where my room is, on deck 13. Now we're stopping on 16.
Six.
6? What floor?
7.
7?
Excuse me.
Yep.
If it's a visual thing, I'm okay. If it's an audio thing, I need to go back to the room.
There it goes, that one. And that's gonna be it for the Norwegian Cruise Line's Norwegian Joy cruise ship.